Hello students, welcome to Hindi class. This class, let us learn the remaining matras. First, A matra, keep in mind, don't forget one line is A matra. Then, if you put this symbol, this is E matra. This is E matra. Indirect C, U matra. Down one curve, U matra. Today, we are going to learn this Ru matra. If you put a direct C under the letter, that is Ru matra. For example, if you put for ka, this is kr, ka, kr, ga, gr, ga, gr, nga, ngru. In this, all letters are not often useful. Only a few letters like the kr, gr, then tr, then dr, drishya, ndr, ndrp, mr, vriksh, like that. A few letters are only useful. Once again, let us learn. This is A matra, this is E matra, this is E matra. Indirect C is U matra. Down one curve, U matra. One direct C is Ru matra. Up one curve is A matra. Up two curves I matra. Listen here. Here for I matra of I ku one curve will come. I ku one curve will come. For matra ku two curves will come. I ku one matra. A ku no nahi matra. A ku vandu up vandu or curve varadu. But in matra one curve will come. I ku up one curve will come. For matra two curves will come. O ku like letter O, one line and one curve is O matra. One line and one curve is O matra. One line and two curve is O matra. Then anuswar, up one curve, that up one dot, that is anuswar. Side two dot, that is aha. Today let us learn Ru matra. Ka, kr, kr, gr, gr, nr, chru, chru, jru, jru, nyru, tr, tr, dr, dr, ndr, tak, tr, tr, dr, dr, ndr, pr, fr, br, br, mr, yuru. There is no rak, no matra. Lru, bru, shak, shlu, shak, shlu, sak, sr, hak, hr. Once again I will teach. Listen. Don't confuse kak indirect C. This is ku. This is kr. Ku, kr, ku. This is ku and this is kr. Ku, kr. Krishnan, Krishnaveni, for that and all this letter will use. Kr, gr, gr, ngr, chru, chru, jru, jru, niru, tr, tr, dr, dr, ndr, tr, tr, dr, dr, ndr, pak, pr, fru, br, br, mr, yuru. There is no letter ru. Lru, vru, shru, shru, sru, hr. I think this is clear. Then next let us learn A matra. Which is A matra means if you put up one curve, that is A matra. If you put up one curve, that the pronunciation will change. If you put for ka, that is K. See here, ka one curve K. This is A matra. Today A matra on the up one curve, that is A matra. Kak one curve K. Keep in mind you have to put at last only. Where the line is touching here, there you have to put it. So if two places are there means you have to put for last one. G, then G, then nye. Chalk, che, che, j, j, nye. Te, te, de, de, ne. Tak. If you put one curve up means that is a matra. Tak means te, ta, te, da, de, the, de, na, ne, pa, pe, fa, fe, ba, be, ba, be, ma, me. Yak one curve, that means ye. Rak one curve, re. Lak one curve, le. Wak one curve, ve. Shak one curve, she. Shak one curve, she. Sak one curve, se. Hak one curve, he. Then Ikshatra, that are all not necessary. See here. If you put kak one curve, na ye matra. Since the sound pronunciation ends with a sound, that curve is called a matra. Kak one curve na k, it ends with a sound. K, ge, ge, nye, che, che, je, je, nye, te, te, de, de, ne, te, te, de, de, ne. Pak, pe, fe, be, be, me, ye, re, le, be, she, se, he. So, one curve means ye matra. Once again, I am telling, kak one curve na ke, ge, nye, che, je, nye, te, de, ne. Tak, te, de, ne. Pe, fe, be, me. Ye, re, le, ve. She, se, he. Next, I matra. See here, for I letter one curve will come, for matras two curve will come. Kak two curves putna, kai, kak, kai, gak, gai. All the two curves will come for ngai, chai, chak two curves, chai, ja, jai, nya, nyai. Tak two curves, tai, dai, nai. Tak, tai, dai, nai. If you put two curves, that is I matra. Pak one curve na pe, two curves na pai. For fa, fe, fi. Bak one curve na be, two curves na bai. Bak one curve na be, two curves bai. Mak, me, mai. Yak, ye, yai. Rak, re, rai. Lak, le, lai. Wak, ve, vai. Shak, she, shai. Shai, sai, hai. See here, while putting two curves, ka means you should not put one curve here and one curve. The two curves should be from the same place. Should start from ends with to the same place where this line touches the sireka, this sleeping line. Once again, let us learn I matra. Which is I matra? Two curves. If you put two curves, that is I matra. Kak two curves means kai, ka, kai, ga, gai, ga, gai, nga, ngai, chai, chai, jai, jai, nyai, tai, tai, dai, dai, nai, tai, tai, dai, dai, fai, fai, bai, bai, mai, yai, rai, lai, vai, shai, shai, sai, hai. Once again I am telling, if you put one curve means that is a sound, so that is called a matra. Two curves means that is I matra. Today we learn Ruki matra, that means down one direct C, then A ki matra and I ki matra, two curves. Then see here, today what homework is, you have to write both A matra and I matra. A matra and I matra. Last week many of them wrote only one matra. This way I ask you to write U matra and U matra. A few students have written only one matra. This week you have to write both A matra and I matra. That is today's homework. Thank you, students.